welcome back to the offline video series of Geography of Class 5. So today in this video we are going to start with the new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Communication and Mass Media. So as we are going to start with a new lesson, first of all I am going to show you some pictures. Based on that pictures I am going to ask you some questions. You have to try to answer that questions. So here are the images. So here is the first question. We watch TV programs on many different channels. Where do they come from? As you can see in the picture, a boy and a girl are sitting and enjoying the cartoon on the television. So what do you think? Only one TV channel is flashed on your televisions? No, there are many different types of channels flashed on your TV screens. So that is because of the exchange of information or uploading of information on the artificial satellites. That artificial satellites flash the same TV show and same TV channels throughout the world. So the next question is, we talk to each other on our mobile phones. What makes communication on a mobile phone possible? Students, we use mobile phones to talk to each other. That means nowadays mobile phones has been a major source for us to communicate with the people who are far away from us. So how does this communication is possible for a long distance? This communication is possible because of the quickly delivered signals from one point of mobile tower to other point of mobile tower. As you have seen the images, so based on these images, you can understand how the signals are being passed from one point to other point. Means how these TV channels are being flashed on televisions continuously. You might have studied about launching of spacecrafts and artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are the modern means of communication nowadays. Signals are passed from one point to other point so quickly, so it is very easy to telecast the live shows on televisions. And it is also very easier nowadays to communicate with people through phone calls. Some of the examples of these communication and mass media is, we can see the live telecast shows which are going on in any part of the world. For example, cricket matches and football matches. With the help of mobile phones, we can talk to people who are in other countries. The President of India or the Prime Minister can address the whole nation through radio or TV because of these communication and mass media technology. We can send and receive messages through communication. The exchange of information is known as communication. Communication is very important in order to construct the knowledge. Let us perform an activity in order to understand this communication more properly. So here is the activity. In this activity, you can see some pictures are shown, and through arrows these pictures are connected to each other. So as you can see, there is one reporter in the picture which is giving some of the news of some incident, and that news is being recorded by the satellites. That means it is uploaded on the satellites, and through the deliver of signals of these satellites, it is being flashed on the all televisions throughout the world. Not only about televisions, but also these news we can get from the FM radios, through newspapers, through magazines, and through various sources of information. So these are the various ways through which news can be reached up to the people throughout the world, and we can be updated through what is going on in the world. So what exactly you have to do is, you have to study the pictures which are given on your screen, and you have to write the names of the means of communication that are being used in these pictures. Now note down the different kinds of information you can obtain from a newspaper. One example is given educational news. You can get some of the information of education through newspapers. Similarly, what are the different types of news which you get from the newspapers that you have to write? Again, one type of news which you can get is the sports news. What is going on in the world of sports can be easily understood and known with the help of the newspapers. Similarly, there are many different types of news which are obtained from the newspaper. So you have to write that various kinds of information which you get from the newspaper. Now we are going to study about some advantages of communication and mass media. So here are the advantages of telecommunication and mass media. We can easily contact the people who are far away from us. The time and the efforts which are spent in exchanging of information can be saved, because in ancient times people used to communicate with the help of letters and it was taking a longer period of time. They help to arise the awareness about the issues such as environmental balance, gender equality, and cleanliness. People can be forewarned about the natural disaster like storms, tsunamis, floods, etc. Nowadays, technologies has been so much vast that geographers can detect whatever natural disasters are going to occur in future. So it is a kind of advantage for us that people can be forewarned or they can be made aware about the natural disasters. They build awareness about the health, educational facilities, good things happening in the societies. That means people can be known about the health, educational facilities which are provided by the government, and good things which are going to happen in the societies. They help in successful implementation of some government schemes which are launched for the benefit of the people. Whatever schemes which are launched by the government for the benefit of the people can be known to the people through communication and mass media. Awareness can be raised about the matters which are related to food, clothes, shelters, education, and health. That means it helps us to improve the lifestyle or the way of people live. Eighth and the last advantage is mass media helps in expansion of trade and industries. Let us understand some disadvantages of communication and mass media. Each and everything in this world has some positive points as well as some negative sides also. So, here are the disadvantages of telecommunication and mass media. So, the first one is excessive use of televisions, computers, and mobile phones causes disorders of eyes, ears, and back. Psychological disorders and isolations, etc., are also possible. Students, nowadays, many people and many children are addicted to mobile phones and televisions. So, this affects to the disorders of the eyes, ears, and back. Many people play games on the internet and it causes an harmful effect on the eyes. The second disadvantage is we get all sort of information throughout the television channels and the internet. There are instances of these information being misused to disturb the peace and order in the societies. Nowadays technologies and social media has been so vast that there can be misuse of some information which should not be disclosed, and this leads to disturb of peace and order in the society. The third disadvantage is time spent on watching television leads to neglect of outdoor sports and physical fitness. These had an adverse effect on physical health. Just like how mental health is important, similarly physical health is also important. Nowadays, people are so busy on social media, playing games on internet, use of televisions and mobile phones that usually they neglect the outdoor games. Some children are always busy on playing the games on the internet, using the mobile phones and computers. And this leads to neglect the outdoor sports and the outdoor events. And because of these, there is an adverse effect on the physical fitness of the body. That is why one should always try to involve in outdoor games at least 1 hour a day. So, students, here is the homework for you. You have to ask the question which is asked over here. When Amut, who is in 5th standard, comes home after school, he visits several websites on his computer. He never misses his favorite TV shows. He plays games on his mother's mobile phone all the time. He is always sitting at home. Lately, his appetite has decreased. He is drowsy and put on his weight. Amut's mother is worried about him. When will she feel better? So, this is the question. You have to find out the solution for Amut and his mother.